Hello and welcome to TopApps.ai, where we share the latest tools and trends in artificial intelligence. My name is Cass, and today we will be talking about HypeAuditor AI, an AI-powered influencer marketing platform. But before we get started, please subscribe to this channel so that way you can stay up to date on the latest and greatest in AI. We do all the research so you don't have to. So make sure that you hit that subscribe button so you know what's going on and what's next in this world of change. So let's talk about HypeAuditor. HypeAuditor's AI-powered tools can help you enhance your social media strategy. Whether you're looking to drive growth, boost your brand's performance, or improve engagement, HypeAuditor has got you covered. So why should you consider using HypeAuditor? For starters, their AI-powered algorithms provide an in-depth insight into your audience, including demographics, interests, and more. This means you can create content that resonates with your target audience and drives engagement at the same time. HypeAuditor's tools also let you track engagement and growth metrics so you can fine-tune your social media strategy for maximum impact. If you're looking to work with influencers, HypeAuditor's accurate data and analysis tools can help you find the right ones for your brand. One of the standout features of HypeAuditor's platform is their AI-powered content analysis tools. These tools analyze your content to ensure it's optimized for engagement and growth. And if you're struggling to come up with hashtags to reach your target audience, HypeAuditor's AI algorithms provide you recommendations and insights, which is so much less time-consuming using an actual tool than doing all your research on your own. But what about fake followers engagement? Don't worry, HypeAuditor's AI algorithms can identify and filter out fake accounts, ensuring your brand's social media presence is authentic and effective. If you're running influencer marketing campaigns, HypeAuditor's ROI measurements tools can help you track their effectiveness. Plus, their customizable reporting tools let you create reports that are tailored to your specific needs and goals. One of the best things about HypeAuditor is that it's user-friendly. Even if you don't have extensive social media experience, you'll be able to navigate their tools and optimize campaigns for success. And if you need help, their team of experts is always available to help provide support and guidance. Finally, let's talk about pricing. HypeAuditor's affordable and accessible pricing makes it a great option for businesses of all sizes and budgets. So are you ready to unlock the power of data-driven social media strategy optimization? Try HypeAuditor AI today and enhance your social media presence with actionable insights and optimization tools. This has been everything in today's video, but if you want to learn more, go to topapps.ai and browse through their hundreds of curated AI tools. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.